Sir, just stand over here for me, all right? Please.
I'm going to go back in the fucking...
No, you're not going back in the casino. All right, sir. Sir, I understand you are the sheriff. I respect that immensely. But right now I'm conducting an investigation, okay? I need you to stay here and follow the directions,
100%.
okay?
On September 21st, a police chief's reckless decision led to a scene he likely wishes to forget. While driving a state-owned SUV from a West Springfield country club to a casino, the chief hit an object, destroying a tire and damaging the rim beyond repair. Under Massachusetts General Laws, Chapter 90, Section 24, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs is strictly prohibited and carries severe penalties. Upon arrival at the casino, officers noted signs of impairment, including the smell of alcohol and slurred speech.
How you doing, Sheriff?
Good, very good.
Good. Hi, Lieutenant Corey Mackey. What's that? Who's busting what?
They changed his tire.
Okay. Just to let you know, we came down to this.
Yeah.
We are recording, just so you know.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was coming around the corner, I popped the tire.
Do you know where? We're trying to.
Right
we were
here.
looking to see where you were in the casino and everything, and
It's all good.
it's all good.
Change his tire.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. The problem is, hang on for a second. Were you the one driving it?
No.
You weren't driving it?
No.
Okay. Who was driving you?
A friend of mine.
A friend of yours? He's in the casino now?
Yep.
Okay, we'll see that too. All right, but I need you to stay here for a second. All right, sir. None of us wants to be involved in this. All right, but I can
Okay.
smell. I can smell alcohol
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
from your breath.
100%.
I've got this right here.
Yeah.
Everything's on camera. I got to take it by the numbers.
Change the tire.
I got to take it by the numbers. We're going to review. If your friend in there was driving, as you say, we'll see that on the camera. I can go talk to him. Everything will be good. All right? What's that? Okay. All right, sit tight.
When confronted by responding officers, the police chief initially denied driving and claimed a friend had been at the wheel. However, his admission to drinking a couple of beers before driving raised immediate suspicion. While field sobriety tests are voluntary under Massachusetts law, refusing them can still raise doubts about a driver's sobriety. The chief's refusal to perform these tests further complicated his defense.
Once you're off the phone, I'm waiting for a few more people to get here, and we'll talk it through. Okay, I'm just waiting for the field OIC to come down. All right. Once the field OIC is down here, we'll talk it through. Okay.
Seriously? I'll tell you what. Leave the car here. Leave it.
Nope, sir. Sir, I'm going to ask you to stay here. Stay put. All right.
Why?
So we figure this out. Because based on what I'm seeing here and smelling alcohol in your breath, I'm going to have to do an investigation through this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And if everything is fine, you know, if it determines that there's no
Change the tire.
No, he's not changing the tire right now.
Let me tell you
Absolutely not.
something. You can change the tire.
He's not changing the tire yet.
Yeah. Okay. Want to go down our road, huh? Okay.
I want to take everything right by the numbers. Okay. By the numbers and by the book, sir.
That's what we do.
That's correct.
Yep.
All right. And if at the end of it everything is good,
Stop turning towards me.
oh, sir, just stand over here for me, all right? Please.
I'm going to go back in the fucking...
No, you're not going back in the casino. All right, sir. Sir, I understand you are the sheriff. I respect that immensely. But right now I'm conducting an investigation, okay? I need you to stay here and follow the directions,
100%.
okay? All right?
You can't pop the tire, huh?
What's that?
You can't pop a
You're not
tire.
going to be able to put a tire on that rim anyways. That rim is completely and utterly destroyed.
I got my guy.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Where, do you know where you ran
Yes, I
something
do.
over? Where was it?
Right up on the corner. And I took the turn.
Took the turn into here?
Yep.
Okay. There looks like there's a plant on there. Was there a plant that
Might have been.
might have been?
I don't know.
But that's where it was. So the remnants of the tires should
Yep.
be down. Should be down
I
that
don't
way.
know.
You don't know?
I have no idea.
Okay. Can I ask you where you're coming from today?
Springfield Country Club.
Springfield Country Club.
Yeah.
All right. The golf tournament?
No.
No. We're just there.
I was there playing golf.
We're there playing golf. Okay.
Yeah. What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for another one of my supervisors. We can have two people here, okay?
Good.
All right? That way everything's
No, it's all
recorded,
good. It's all
everything's
good.
inspected,
It's all
everything's
good.
going to be
It's
nice
all
and
good.
easy,
Yeah,
okay, sir?
It's all good.
All right? Officer Cotto. Can you head down to the corner at East Columbus and just see if there's any remnants of the tire there at all? That's where you were and there was nothing there?
The right may not be.
May not be where you hit it?
No, that's where I hit it, but
Okay. Did you, after turning in here and hitting it, did you drive anywhere else where you could find the
No.
tire?
no.
No? Okay, I'm just saying, the tire should be somewhere between
so
where
go
that was
look.
hit and here.
Yeah,
Okay.
go look.
Can you just do me a favor one more time? Just walk down there and then walk the whole way back
Okay.
to see if we can find the tire. Someone coming over from... Like, we're going to take a walk over where we're a little bit out of sight, okay? No? How much you had to drink tonight, sir? Couple beers?
Yeah. Keep recording me. We're not going nowhere.
Okay. I'd like to ask you to do field sobriety.
Nope, not gonna happen.
Not going to happen?
I'm not driving. Yeah. Field sobriety for what?
Well, you drove in.
That was a long time ago. What's up, Nikki? I'm by my car. Nope. No, it's all good. Yep. All right, bye.
Now, right, security right inside if you need to address something there.
Where the Mass Mutual Center is.
It's across the street on the other side of the casino. Yep. All right, can you stand with him for a second? Sure.
As the investigation progressed, officers documented clear indicators of intoxication, including red eyes and unsteady behavior. Under Massachusetts General Laws, Chapter 90, Section 24, Subsection 1, Subsection F, Subsection 1, refusing a breathalyzer test can result in automatic license suspension, signaling an implied acknowledgement of guilt. The chief was subsequently arrested, transported to the barracks, and relieved of his keys, wallet, and phone for evidence and safekeeping.
Sir, when you went into the casino, did you have any drinks in the casino?
Negative.
You did not have any drinks in the casino? That's what we're waiting on right now. We're trying to figure out if you went in and had anything
I had
inside.
zero.
You had nothing inside, so anything was at the golf course?
Yep.
Okay. And sir, it was from East Columbus onto MGM Way where you think you hit that?
I think so.
All right, sir, can you come over here? I want to talk to you a little bit more. All right? I'd like you, I'm going to be very straightforward with you, all right? You came from East Columbus, you turned in here, we can't find the tire. That's fine. There's clear indications that that rim is pretty destroyed.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? You got here about 6:40 something, 6:45, so maybe 25 minutes before you and I started interacting, somewhere around a half hour. All right? You've got clear indications of alcohol consumption.
100%.
All right?
And a
I can
couple
tell that
drinks.
you've admitted alcohol consumption. You've got your speech is a little bit slurred. All right? I can smell it coming off your breath. I can see the redness in your eyes. I'd ask you I'm going to ask you a second time if you will perform field sobriety so I can determine if you are safe
Not gonna
to
happen.
drive. Okay? I have a PBT that can sort this out right now.
Not gonna happen.
Okay? So you're going to refuse field sobriety.
Yep.
All right? You're not going to take the BBT.
Yep.
You admit alcohol consumption. All right?
A little bit.
Driving. Okay?
Oh, well,
Okay.
if that's what you're,
All right, well,
you're
then
gonna assume.
Your wallet's inside the car. We're going to go ahead and grab that for you. Okay? All right. Officer, can you just sit with him for a minute? I'll take him in my cruiser. All right? So this is your wallet right here. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in your pocket so you have it with you. All right. When we get to the barracks, is there a phone somewhere that you'd like to bring? In my pocket. Yeah. In your pocket. All right. Can I put this tin in your vehicle? We don't have to take it. All right. So you got your wallet over here. This is your phone right in the back. This is just a golf tee. I'm going to put that right in here as well. Okay. All right, we're going to walk down to my unmarked. Sergeant, may I have you come with me as well? All right.
Stay towing, just let him fix it.
No, if they're able to fix it,
okay.
we don't need to tow a county vehicle. If he's able to fix it and we can get somebody who is properly can drive it. All right, the keys are inside there. Stay with him for a sec. Sir, the keys are right in the middle. There's also a $50 bill. Do you want me to leave that in there?
Yeah.
Or do you want it with you? You're comfortable. Who do you want to take possession of that vehicle? Is it okay?
Yep.
That gentleman right there works for you?
It is.
He does? And they can arrange for someone to take it?
Yep.
That's fine. We can get out of here properly. That's fine. It's going to be the black SUV at the very end. Careful. You can move anything over there and just ride with me.
Less than 48 hours after the arrest, the police chief faced the consequences in court. He admitted to facts sufficient to warrant a guilty finding, consistent with Massachusetts General Laws, Chapter 90, Section 24D, which outlines penalties for first-time offenders. The court sentenced him to 1 year of probation, a 45-day license suspension, and mandatory completion of a driver alcohol education program. While the court offered the possibility of case dismissal upon successful completion of probation, the incident left a mark on the chief's reputation. Massachusetts law emphasizes that no one is above the law, including those sworn to uphold it. The destroyed SUV, combined with the public nature of the arrest, serves as a reminder of the risks and consequences of impaired driving. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.